do you think, Dudu? Hmm. Oh, yeah. Go outside. It's raining out there. Hey, it's raining out there. You still want to go? You want to go outside and play in the rain? Huh? We were going to go to the dog park today, weren't we? Yeah, and I was going to take you guys with us. Let's go. We can go outside. Huh? You got your new chew, huh? Oh, you got hair all over too. We need to get the vacuum out today. All right, here we go. Here we go. All right, now, I don't know if you can hear it, but man, it is pouring. Oh man, there's like all kinds of water. No, not on the bed. Here, over here. I don't want your muddy feet on my bed. Huh? Lay down. Lay down. He doesn't like the sound of that rain, do you, dude? No, you're all right. You're okay. You're all right. Yeah. Yeah, this is... I need to get me a bigger tent. I got this, but I found out it's not a winter tent, is it, Copper? Oh. Yeah, you can hear how hard that's coming down. Oh, you're so good. Hey, come here. Hey, Kizzy. Hey, Copper. No, you're not. No, I don't want you on here. Look, you've already got mud all over my... No, you want to go out? You can go out if you want. You want to go out? You want to go outside? There you go. Ugh. He doesn't want to stay in there. Ugh. What you doing? Ugh. Oh, now I'll probably never get back up. Ugh. I'm trying to get there. Trying to stay dry because it is flat out pouring. And so much for mowing the frickin' lawn. I've been trying to get the lawn mowed for 3 days, and every time I go to do it, it does this. And it's like my lawnmower gets clogged up easy. I don't dare mow it when it's soaked. Where's Kitty? Hey, where's Kitty at? Where's squirrels? Where's the squirrels, Copper? Where's squirrel at? Where is he? Where is he? Find him. Find him. Then he's lost all of his balls. Well, in more ways than one. But, oh man, I can't even get up now. That's what happens when you get old, huh, Copper? Well, you wouldn't know. Who's Kitty? Who's Kitty? Hey, get you. Oh, I'll get you. Someone get you, dude. I'm gonna get you. He looks like a bear. You know, sometimes in his face. He keeps looking at the house. Hey, you want to go house? You want to go in or you want to stay out here and play? Huh? What you want to do? Okay, let me see if I can get out. This is not the easiest thing to get out of. Especially since I'm not as flexible as when I was 20. Now I'm on the cord. There, giving you guys a complete tour of the... Okay. Holy shit. Okay. All right, let's go in the house, dude. I'm getting soaked. That's all right. You know what, though? This feels pretty good compared to when it gets the other day when it was 90. Holy moly. You ought to see how Copper lays in his bed. I've got a picture of it, but it didn't turn out very well. Yeah. Copper, why don't you tell them how you lay in your bed weird? He'll have his feet like up here. He'll be sprawled out, and then I was trying to figure out. I'd come in and get him up in the morning. And his head was wet, and I come in one morning, and his head was in the bowl. he was using his bowl as a pillow, wasn't you? Oh, she's doing that. Hey, you better get that shoe. Oh, what's that? What's that, dude? No, not my toes, you ding dong. What's that, my day? So what's that? Hey, you got a new collar. Yeah, your head is wet just like it is when you got your head stuck in your pan. Yeah, you do, dude. Yeah. And he just had his biscuit, didn't you? You just had your biscuit, didn't you? Yeah. Oh yeah, you know where they are. You want another one? I don't hardly ever give him two, but what do I have on my hand? Oh, a leaf. I was trying to figure out what I had on my hand. Oops. There we go. Yeah. There we go. Yeah. What? You can't have it. So I'm going to give it to the kitty. Oh, yeah, kitty. I'm going to give it to the kitty. I'm going to give it to the kitty. Oh, I'm going to give it to the kitty. Oh, does it? Yeah. My ugly feet out of the way. That's pretty good, huh? Yeah, I don't think I'm going to get the lawn mowed today. Don't think that's going to happen, huh, Bubba? Yeah.